So now that we've thought about our website and how to build it out, the next thing we want to do is make sure that the website's set for conversion, right? I said revisit your website for SEO and conversion, because you can have the best SEO-based site in the world that ranks #1 for your city combined with all your services, but if it doesn't convert into calls, then what's the purpose? So what can you do in order to make sure that your website has all the right elements that connects with the customer on a deeper level and makes them say, hey, I want to call these guys, and I want to call them right away to do my work. So obviously having a clean navigation flow is where you want to start. Either along the top, top navigation bar or along the side. Have the links to the main pages on your website: home, about us, our services, coupons, contact us. And so have navigation that makes sense and is logical for the user. From there's a lot of different things on the web page that you can do to enhance the probability of conversion. And if we can help you go from every 10 visitors driving 1 call to every 10 visitors driving 2 calls, that doubles the profitability and the amount of leads that you can pull out of your website for the same amount of traffic. So it's definitely a worthy exercise to make sure your website has these conversion elements. So the first one is, and this seems really drop dead obvious, right? Have your number in the top right-hand corner on all the pages of your website. Just having your logo and some additional information in that header graphic on your site isn't the best play. We found that eyes tend to naturally gravitate towards the right-hand column, top section of the website. So having your phone number prominently on display and telling them, hey, call now for immediate service is one of the most obvious things you can do that will improve your conversion ratios. The second thing is have a section on your website where they can request additional information without having to hit a Contact Us page. And if you've got your website built on WordPress or Joomla, it's pretty simple within the sidebar widgets to put a request for contact form. And I like the idea of having that request for contact form on just about every page of the website. So whether they're on the drain cleaning page or the water heater repair page or the subsidy page, they can look to the left, type in their name, phone number, and description, and now your team has that contact information and can follow up. Have links to your social media profiles prominently on display on the website. This can give them that extra level of confidence where they can go to the website, learn more, to the social media profile, and learn more about you, see some additional photos, and kind of get a personal flair for the business. Along those same lines, having your credibility symbols. So if you're Angie's List Super Service Award, have that prominently on display on the sidebar of the website or somewhere on the website. If you're BBB with an A+, have that on the website. Those types of credibility factors that people look at and say, okay, this is a quality company that I can trust, will help your conversion. On the footer section of your website, make sure that you've got your name, address, and phone number. This is, just makes it easy for the consumer to find the information they need, any section on the website. But it's also important for the Google Map optimization, helping Google understand where you're located and what your true name, address, and phone number is. Now, the next conversion element that we found to be surprisingly powerful is using real people and having real personality infused into your website. If you have a website that has stock photography, just picture of, that random plumber holding the wrench and smiling, or, some random family happily sitting at their home, it's not nearly as powerful as having real pictures of the team, of the owner of the company, of the office. Real photos, real videos tend to resonate and will significantly improve the conversion from visitor to caller on your website. Within every block of text, make sure that you have a clear call to action. And so this again seems obvious, but if I looked at 10 plumbing websites, I would find it not done on probably about 8. Every page of your website has a block of text, whether it's the drain cleaning page, the emergency plumbing page. you want to give them a call to action. So whether that's call now to schedule an appointment, click here to take a look at some of our online reviews, or have somebody from our team contact you. Give them the next step, whether that's to call your office or to take that next step to get additional information to feel confident they should do business with you, whether it's a reviews page or a coupons page. If you're the kind of company that's comfortable offering special offers, incentives, discounts, definitely have a coupons page. Make sure that your coupons look like coupons. I see in a lot of cases there are coupons on coupon pages on or special offers, but they don't look like coupons, and so they almost get ignored by the subconscious mind. As cheesy as it looks to have this little cutout on your page, we found that it improves conversion and it improves the amount of people that are coming in and saying, hey, I've got a coupon. Make sure that your website is mobile friendly, right? This is important, from a perspective that more and more people are getting to the website from their mobile devices. This will significantly improve conversion. If somebody gets to your site from their mobile device and it's not mobile ready, and they have to scroll left, right, up, down, they have to write down your phone number and then rekey it into their phone, they're going to press the back button and they're going to go to another website. So this is just an example of, very user-friendly, condensed version of a website. You can hit that click to call button and automatically the call action will be in place and they don't have to rekey that number into the phone. And so these are the types of things you want to be thinking about and revisiting your website to ensure that it's really set up for conversion. Remember, conversion is if we can get the people that are coming to the website to take the next action, which is to pick up the phone and dial you, then that's where the revenues really start to come in, and that's where you can maximize the potential for your website online. Well, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video. If you'd like to get even more details on how you really should be marketing your plumbing or HVAC business online, I'd encourage you to go to plumberseo.net/free. There you'll find a video training, completely free of charge, runs about an hour and 20 minutes, that goes into depth as far as what your overall internet marketing strategy should be if you want to maximize the potential of the internet, search engines, Google Maps, social media, pay-per-lead services, pay-per-click advertising within your plumbing or HVAC business. So just go to plumberseo.net/free. You'll be able to access that video training as well as an implementation guide that spells out how to do this stuff on your own. So again, that's plumberseo.net/free. I look forward to talking with you again soon.